now I am going to invite Dr. K.K. Upadhyay. He is a director of Gandhi Foundation and he is a CSR consultant. He has worked for a long time with the industries, especially in the area of corporate social responsibilities. So, Dr. Upadhyay ji, we welcome you as a guest of honor on this panel, and I'm sure you will be throwing light on the CSR industry perspective when we talk about the pandemic and alternative livelihood. How can the industries, the private companies, through their CSR, contribute and share their hands to strengthen such small initiatives to create employment opportunities across? Over to you, please.
Thank you, Sharma ji. I'm very thankful to Institute for Integrated Rural Development, Shimla, to give me this opportunity. I have been always associated with hills. We started a project for Mother Dairy near Child, Thiog and other areas. And we were procuring mushroom from Solan area. And that was the best period of my life when we were working there. But over a period of time, things have started changing now. Especially with this pandemic, lot of established norms have changed. Earlier, we used to teach people, don't give a poor person a fish. Always teach him how to fish. But this is a time when we have to do both. We have to give fish. जो हम लोग रिलीफ में काम कर रहे हैं अभी, we are providing for food, for wages. We are spending about 70,000 crore in Manrega. These are needed, that's what giving fish. But at the same time, it's also very important to give them fish. That's what IIRD has been doing. As you mentioned about the making masks, the mushroom, the spirulina program, I think you started at the right time. When this migration occurred, we had a big problem in the development sector. Our first problem was we never knew how many people are going to migrate. We never had the numbers. And second thing, from where to where they will migrate, that also we didn't know. Now some surveys have started coming in. Amar did a survey where they say like 25% of these people will stay back in the villages. And recently, initial studies came from Professor Fansalkar. He says that 1/6 of them are already back with the place from where they are migrating. So it's a migration which are going in all the directions. And another problem which I have is with the numbers. Estimates say around 4 crore people have migrated. So we have to look for livelihood for 4 crores. And agriculture cannot sustain it. Already it's an overcrowded place where people have migrated because the agriculture was not able to sustain them there. So we have a type of a situation where the corporate, in terms of CSR, in last 5 years, companies have spent about 50,000 crores in CSR for the development, and they are going to spend more. Government has allowed COVID also under the CSR now, and lot of companies are doing lot of good things. The challenge is giving skills, providing livelihoods, and making it available with agencies like IIRD. I think we need much more agencies. Earlier, it was basically migration from village to the cities. Now, cities can also not sustain. So the industry has to move to rural areas. So as what China did about 25 years back, they made their major industries in the rural areas. So we have to look to rural areas to take our industry, or also provide employment to people and other people. The type of work you are doing, providing them livelihood opportunities is very important. So it's also giving fish and teaching them how to do the fishing also. And another thing is, which to me is very important, is local management. Like 3 days back, government has 3 ordinances in the area of agriculture. So we will have to make agriculture lucrative. have industry around it, provide employment, and work together. My humble suggestion to everybody is please work together. We cannot work in isolation. At the time, we must work together. Let's work with your institutions and institutions like IIRD. Let the corporates come forward and provide the money, the management skills, and the will to work with them. So all my good wishes to you. You are doing an excellent job, and I am proud of you that I know you. So all the best to all the panelists, all the interns, and anybody who's listening to me. Thanks a lot for giving me this opportunity. Dhanyavad.
Thank you very much, Dr. Upadhyay, for sharing your great thoughts, and we look forward for having some joining hands on some initiatives and collaborate to spread all these good things ahead.
So nice.
Thank you very much for joining with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.